we are going to learn the solved problems from chapter 1. Now let us see the example 1 on page number 6. Mahendra and Virat are sitting at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Their masses are 75 kg and 80 kg respectively. What is the gravitational force between them? Now when you read this problem, the idea comes in your mind that Mahendra and Virat are the two friends. They are sitting at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Their masses are given 75 and 80 kg. Then question is, what is the gravitational force between them? Now from this question, you come to know that this problem depends on Newton's gravitational equation. Now it is given in your book, but let us solve it. What are the given conditions? Masses of the friends. Let us suppose that m1 is the mass of one friend, that is mass of Mahendra is 75 kg. Given that. Then mass of second friend, that is Virat, is 80 kg. Now the distance between them, that is r, is 1 meter. Now what you have to find out? The gravitational force. To find gravitational force. Now for that, you know that you have to take gravitational constant, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now by using formula, F equal to G into m1 m2 upon r square. Now by putting the value, it is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into m1 is 75 into m2 is 80 upon 1 square. Ultimately, you will get this 4.002 into 10 raised to power minus Newton. It is directly given in your book, but you can solve it by simple calculation also. Okay. Now the second problem. As far as your examination is concerned, such type of questions are not asked in your exam board paper. Only one of the numerical you have to solve, and it carries 2 marks, and that's why simple questions are asked. I will tell you afterward. Okay. Now here the gravitational force between the two friends is 4.002 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton. Okay. The second example again given in your book. Let us see it. Let us read the question. Second example is, in the above example, assuming that the bench on which Mahendra is sitting is frictionless, starting with 0 velocity, what will be the Mahendra's velocity of motion towards Virat after 1 second? Will this velocity change with time and how? Can you understand the question? Now in first question we have solved that Mahendra and Virat are attracted by each other with this force. महेंद्र आणि विराट हे दोघंही जण एकमेकांकडे या फोर्सने अट्रॅक्ट होणार आहेत. पण आता दुसऱ्या क्वेश्चनमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे की जर ते एकाच बेंचवर बसले असतील आणि फ्रिक्शनलेस जर बेंच असेल तर स्टार्टिंग विथ झिरो वेलॉसिटीने स्टार्ट झाल्यानंतर महेंद्रची वेलॉसिटी आफ्टर 1 सेकंड किती असेल? For that, now for this problem, Now this problem is related with the first problem. That's why we know that the force between these two is 4.002 into 10 raised to power minus 7. And what is the question? That u is a 0. What you have to find out the v. Final velocity you have to find out. Now for this final velocity, you know the equation of motion v is equal to u plus at. V equal to u plus at, where u is a 0 and t is nothing but the time is given as 1 second. You have to find out the v, but for that you require a. Now how to find out this a? A is nothing but the acceleration. Now by formula of force, we know that F is equal to mass into acceleration. That is, acceleration is nothing but force upon mass. Now force is 4.002 into 10 raised to power minus 7 upon mass. Mass of the Mahendra. Mass of Mahendra is, that is, mass of first friend is 75. Now putting this value 75 here, we get acceleration is nothing but 4.002 into 10 raised to power minus 7 upon 75. Keeping this value as it is without calculations, we can put this value here. V equal to u is 0 plus acceleration is 4.002 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 75 into t is nothing but 1 second. That's why 4.002 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 75. After calculation, we will get v equal to 5.34 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter per second. This is the velocity of Mahendra after 1 second. Isn't it? Again, this problem is quite hard. जरी हे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला हार्ड वाटत असलं तरीही ते तुम्हाला शिकणं आवश्यक आहे, कारण अशाच प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला पुढचे प्रॉब्लेम्स इझी वाटायला लागतील. कळलंय? मग पहिल्या प्रश्नामध्ये आपण M1 आणि M2 महेंद्र आणि विराटचं दोघांचंही वजन दिलं होतं, मास दिलेले होते, त्यांचं डिस्टन्स दिलं होतं. आपण काय काढलं आहे? ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन दीज टू बाय पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जी. वी गेट धिस फोर्स. मग आता हे दोघंही जण एकमेकांना एवढ्या फोर्सने अट्रॅक्ट होतात आहेत. मग आता हा फोर्स लक्षात घेऊन आपल्याला असं काढायचं होतं की महेंद्र हा 1 सेकंद नंतर किती पुढे सरकेल किंवा त्याची वेलॉसिटी आफ्टर 1 सेकंद किती राहील. म्हणजे फायनल वेलॉसिटी ऑफ महेंद्र आफ्टर 1 सेकंद इट इज 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter per second. Okay. So these are the two questions given on page number 6 in your book. So you have to write it in your fair copy. Okay.